Today we are going to start a new problem on a square pyramid. So you can see the problem. So you have to construct a square pyramid of dimension 35, base 8 dimension, 65 axis length. Okay, rests on HP on one of its edges of the base. That means we need to construct a square with respect to the edge here. Okay, so first we are going to draw an XY line here. Okay, square of dimension 35, you have to 35 means 3.5 box here. Okay, so here in the slant edges will be thick lines. Okay, because these are slant edges. So I can write A, B, C, D, O and O1. So I can show the dimensions here on one side. So it is 35. Okay, now projecting. Okay, here axis length is 65. Okay, 65. Take here 65 using the scale. Here. Okay, the front view of a in pyramid, it is a triangle. You know it. Okay, so here B dash visible, A dash not visible, C dash visible, D dash not visible, O1 dash in bracket and O dash. So here we'll take base edge inclinations. It is 90 minus angle of inclination to HP, it is 45. You can see that. So that is 45 degree. Okay, here take a reference point of C dash and D dash. So using protractor, I'm going to mark 45 degree. So here angle line. So now using compass, you have to measure this length from C dash to B dash. The first arc, second arc from C dash to O dash. Okay. So you can write here B dash and O dash. This is O1 dash. Okay. Now using compass, second arc from C dash to O dash. So you can join it. Okay, so we have to join here. Okay, so this point we need to join. Okay, and we have this axis. So we have to draw an axis here. So by extending this axis, if you measure the angle, so that will be exactly 45 degree. Okay, so this is O dash. Okay, now projecting the lines vertically downward. A, B, C, D, 1 more. So first we construct outer boundary line. C to O to D and D to E. So this forms an outer boundary line. Now here triangular face B dash, A dash, O dash, triangular face visible from the top. Okay. So it is visible. Okay. Now we can see that this square base not visible from the top. So that's why it is a dashed line. Okay. Then finally we have an axis. So I can show it. Now angle of inclination to VP is 30 degree. I'll draw a parallel line here. Take a reference point. Here I will mark 30 degree. Okay. .30 degree. So this is what the resting is, not visible from the top. We'll take this. Okay. So for the angle line, we are going to draw the angle of inclination line here. Okay. It will be convenient. Current D point. So this is C. Okay. Now from C to B. And D to E. Next it is reverse. At this point it is woven. From D to O. This is O. Okay, now we'll join these lines. So this is dashed line. Okay, and finally we have an axis. Okay, now projecting the lines to construct the final position. Okay. This is O dash. B dash, this point it is C dash, and D dash we have this D dash, and finally we have this O dash. Okay, the concept for constructing the final position in the pyramid is, first we have to construct the base, that is here in the base it is in square. So first we are constructing a square here. Okay, then we draw the slant edges. Say first slant edge I am drawing from A dash to O dash, next from B dash to O dash, third from C dash to O dash. You can see that with respect to this base, if the slant edge is passing inside of it, inside of this square, the base, we can see that that will be n dashed line. Okay. Here the dashed line, and finally we have an axis. So this is how we complete the problem. Square pyramid with the normal type problem. So this problem we are going to do it. So first we draw an XY line. Thickness 0.25 mm. First we have to construct a square here. Square of dimension 35. So now we draw the slant edges. So these slant edges has to be thick lines because these are slant edges. Now projection lines. Okay, we know that front view of a pyramid is a triangle. So dimension we have 65. We have to write the front view notations. B dash, dash, dash in bracket. So second angle of inclination it is 45 degree. So we will go with the base edge inclination. Ninety minus 45 equals 45 degree. So
nobody can alter the ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ nobody can alter the title of a researcher new researcher ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಡೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದುಡ್ಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
ನೀವು so here we have A, B, C, D. So outer boundary line we have to draw. You have to draw outer boundary line. This triangular face it is visible. Dashed line it is visible. This is dashed line. Finally, we have axis. Okay. Is base head inclinations. Place it with the resting edge D and C. So project. So you can write A dash. So first we write the base of this pyramid. Next we draw the slant edges. If the slant edges passing inside of the base, so that will be dashed line. So you can see that from A dash, B dash and C dash it is passing outside. So no dashed line. Only from here D dash to O dash it is the dashed line. Okay, finally, so this is a dashed line. Finally, we have to draw an axis from O dash to O dash.